Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show you how to make the quickest and the easiest fall swag. So first you're going to need some fall floral picks. You will also need a zip tie, some wire cutters. You're going to need some ribbon for a bow. And I think that's about it to get started. I am making this fall swag for my lantern. So first you're going to want to pick out some taller floral picks, and you're going to start with your taller ones first and put them down first. So I'm starting with these cotton picks. So I put one on the left, one on the right, and I overlap the stems. So I'm just going to continue, and usually what I put on the left I put on the right, but I don't have matching for all of it, so sometimes you just have to go with what you have. Okay, so I just keep layering until I get the swag the size I want. And most of these picks came from Dollar Tree. So you just keep pinch tightly in your hand and just layer until you get the size you want. Okay, so I think that's about the size I want. So now I'm going to take a zip tie, and I'm just going to zip tie my little swag nice and tight together. And that's really it. It's so simple to make a little swag. Next you're going to just fluff your flowers. Now I'm putting this on a lantern, so I am going to be wiring it on kind of at a slant. So I have already made my bow, and I will link this bow tutorial for you in the drop down box below in case you would like to see how I made this. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the pipe cleaners that are on my bow, and I'm just going to wrap them around my little swag and go to the back and give it a few twists. Now I have my bow attached. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. Next I'm going to add it to one of my tall lanterns, and the way I like to attach mine is just using a pipe cleaner or some wire. So I'm just going to take this pipe cleaner and I am just going to thread it through, then I'll go to the back and give it a few twists, and then I'm going to use the pipe cleaner to attach it to the top of my lantern. So very simple and easy to do. So I just took my pipe cleaner and I threaded it under the bow. I'm just going to give it a little twist. And then now I'm ready to attach it to my lantern. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. So simple to make. I will link this bow tutorial for you in the drop down box below. The ribbon for the bow came from Dollar General. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can make these lantern swags for any season, any holiday. Just change up your ribbon and your floral picks, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share.